Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about linked list. I hope that you have already studied about array. So first read the statement or definition of the linked list. So definition is that a linked list is a linear collection of data elements whose order is not given by their physical placement in memory. Means that the collection of data elements are not necessary. For example, here here 15 is linked with 3 is linked with 17 and 17 is linked with 90. It is not necessary that 15 should be linked with 3. I can link 15 to the 17, 17 to the 3 and 3 to the 90. So this doesn't matter, order doesn't matter here. But in case of array, order matters. So first take a look on why linked list. So in case of array can be used to store linear data of similar types. But here linked list is also used to store linear data of similar type. But in case of arrays, there are some limitations that the size of the array is fixed. Means we have to define array with a size, and we cannot change the size of the array further later. So we must know the upper limit of the number of the elements in advance. Now in point 2, inserting a new element in an array of elements is expensive because the room has to be created for new elements, and to create existing elements have to be shifted. Means that in case of array, it will be more expensive to insert a new element because the room has been created and all the elements of the array has defined place. So in case of a new element, we have to define we have to increase the size. First of all, we have to increase the size, and then we have to create a new room. So this will be expensive for us to write code. So we have shifted to the linked list, in which we can simply link a new number to the earlier number. Here let's assume that 15 is linked with 3 is linked with 17 and 17 is linked with 90, and I have a new number, let's say 100. So I have to insert a number 100 in between or after 90. So I will just take the number and I will link the address of, here this is the address, this here in the place of null there will be the address of the next node. So in case of null, I will put the address of the 100. So the 100 number will be connected with this linked list. This and go to the next. For example, here we have an array which name is id, and the elements are 1000, 1010, 1050, 2000 and 2040. So if we want to insert a new id, let's say 1005, then we want to insert this number in a sorted manner. So what we have to do, this 1005 will go here in front of in between the 1000 and 1010. So what we have to do, we have to just move this 1010 to the next position, and 1050 to the next position, then 2000 to the next position, and then 2040 to the next position. Only 1000 will leave here. So this will be much more expensive because we have to shift all this, and in case of the deletion, this will also be expensive. But we can delete the delete the elements with some special techniques. Now advantages of linked list over arrays. So in case of linked list, there is dynamic size, means we can increase or decrease size by this. For example, I have to delete this 3. So what I will do, in case of here 3600 is the address of the 3. So in case of I have to delete this 3, what I will do, I will put here the address of the 17, so which is 4000. So I will put here 4000, and this will link with 15 with 15 will be linked with 17, and 17 to the 90, and this type all will be all elements will be linked. Now let's understand this. This is the head, and this is the we will assume as the next is the pointer which contains the address of the next node. So here 15 or the first element, 15 or the first this is the data, and this is the pointer which contains the address of the next node. And in case of head, storage of head, we will put the address of the first data, means head is the pointer which will contain the address of the first data. And further later on, this is the data, and this is the pointer which contains the address of the next node. So in case of 3 is the data, and 4000 is the address of the next node, and this 3 has the address of 3600. So if I have to connect this 15 to the 3, what I have to do, 15 is the first element, and I have to link this 15 or this first element to the second element, which is 3. What I have to do, I have to put this address which is 3600 into the next pointer of the first data. And then again here, if I have to link this 3 to the 17, what I will do, I will here in case of address or next node, in the next node, what I will put, I will put the address of the 17, which is 4000. So now 15, 3 and 17 are linked. And this was all about linked list. Now go to the
compiler.